How to add a testimonial slider to hosting or website builder. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a testimonial slider to hosting or website builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger, you can also use my affiliate link below the description, where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you can also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting provider founded that offers affordable, user-friendly hosting solutions for individuals, small businesses, and growing online projects, in which it also provides a wide range of services including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and WordPress hosting, domain registration, and even website builder tools. It is also known for its competitive pricing and also uses a custom control panel called H-panel. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also start signing in by clicking my account on the top right corner. And after successfully signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this Hostinger dashboard, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But all you need to do is simply go to the website option, since we're trying to edit our website in order to add a testimonial slider. However, make sure to already has also an upgrade account on your Hostinger in order to start customizing or create a website in here. But if you don't have yet your own website, you can simply create a new one by going to the domain section in here on the left side panel, and you can proceed by clicking the manage option below. Upon clicking the manage option, from here it will show you that you can start creating a new page in website. By clicking this button right here, you will be directed on the page where you can now start creating a simple website from scratch if you want to. So from here, it will show you a variety of templates to choose from. For the newest option, I'm just going to simply choose this one. By clicking on it, we can start clicking start building on the top right corner to start customizing this website, which we will also add the slider or the testimonial slider. You also need to fill out some of this required information, or you can skip this part. Once done, you will be directed in this website builder. So you can see it will show us in here on the left side panel some of the options or the editing tools that you can navigate. And if we're going to explore on the left side panel, including some of the elements, it will show us in here the other options to add a testimonial, but there is no testimonial slider in here specifically on this page. So in order for us to simply add a testimonial slider in here, we can use the other platform to start navigating or using the templates on them. And that platform is called helpsite.com, in which it is a software as a service platform that provides a large library of customizable no-code widgets designed to enhance website by boosting engagement and improving conversions. So from here, all you need to do is simply sign in, and under the widget section and reviews, kindly search or look for testimonial sliders. And click here this create widget for free. And after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, just simply choose or select the template to start with. And I'm going to choose, for example, this one. Then now we can now proceed under the testimonials. You can customize this by clicking the three dots and edit. Start editing here, the star rating in here, and even what they said or their words as a testimonial. Their title, instead of this founder and as CEO, I'm just going to simply customize this into developer. You could also customize the date, place, the picture, and many more. You could also add a new one from scratch. All you need to do is to fill out the required information as well in here. Now, as you can see, we can start navigating this slider by simply clicking the right and left arrow in here. You could also choose the right layout that I'm going to choose here, this slider type or carousel. Moving on, you could also choose this testimonial style if you want to, but I'm going to simply keep this as the default one. And while for the styles, you could also customize the right color scheme that you prefer. But to make it more professional, I'm going to choose the blue one. Moving on, you could also go to the dark mode if you want to, or the light mode. Now, aside from that, under settings, you could even change the language and many more. Now by clicking the button below, which is this add to website for free, it will show us in here that we have now successfully creating or adding our own widget. All you need to do is simply click the publish button on the top right corner to simply publish or save the changes. Then choose the plan, but I'm going to choose the free one. And after that, it will now show us the embed code that we can simply copy in here. Then going back to our hosting or website builder, just add a new section that we're going to place the embedded code. So I'm just going to simply add a random one, which is this one. By clicking on it, we can start clicking add elements on the left side panel, and below just choose embed code. Simply paste it directly right here and click embed code and paste the embed code in here that we just copy. Once done, it will automatically show us the result. So we can start resizing this one like this and many more. So this is basically what it looks like. I'm just going to simply make this better. Or you could also resize this depending on your preferences. So once done, as you can see, we have now here successfully created this testimonial slider in our website builder. You can click the preview to see what it looks like, and we can start trying it directly in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can add a testimonial slider to hosting or website builder. Thank you.